Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome font rendering problems step by step in 2026. If text in Chrome looks blurry, jagged, too thin, distorted, or fonts are not loading correctly on websites, the issue usually comes from browser settings, graphics acceleration, system fonts, or display scaling. Let's fix it. First, restart Chrome and your computer. Temporary GPU or font cache glitches often cause rendering problems, and a simple restart can clear them. Next, check Chrome's hardware acceleration. Click the three dots, go to Settings, Greater than System, and find Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Turn it off, restart Chrome, and check if fonts look better. If the problem continues, turn it back on and test again. Some systems work better either way. Now clear Chrome's font and browser cache. Go to Settings greater than Privacy and Security greater than Clear Browsing Data. Choose All Time and clear cached images and files. Corrupted cache can cause incorrect font loading. Next, check your Windows display scaling. Right-click the desktop, open Display Settings, and look at Scale and Layout. If scaling is set to unusual values like 125% or 150%, Chrome may render fonts poorly. Try setting it to 100% temporarily and test. Update your graphics driver. Outdated GPU drivers often cause font smoothing and rendering issues. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's site like Intel, Nvidia, or AMD and install the latest driver. Now reset Chrome's font settings. Go to Settings. Greater than Appearance, greater than Customize fonts. Make sure standard fonts like Arial, Times New Roman, or default system fonts are selected. Avoid broken or third-party fonts here. If specific websites show issues, the site may be using problematic web fonts. Open DevTools with F12, go to the Network tab, and filter by font. Check if font files fail to load or show errors. You can also reset Chrome fully. Go to Settings greater than Reset and clean up greater than Restore settings to original defaults. This removes extensions and custom settings that might interfere with text rendering. Finally, check ClearType settings on Windows. Search for Adjust. ClearType text, enable it, and go through the tuning steps. This improves font smoothing system-wide, including Chrome, and that's how you fix Google Chrome font rendering problems step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Chrome troubleshooting tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.